guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working in Highguard on PC. If you have no audio, missing sound effects, or the game is completely silent, follow these steps one by one and your sound should be working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then select Sound. In the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. If they are not, select them and click Set Default. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 2. Next, right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume slider is not set to the lowest level and that the device is not muted. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 3. Now open the Advanced tab. Set the default format to either 48,000 Hz or 44/100 Hz. Also, uncheck the option that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Still in the Audio Device Properties, open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply and then OK. Solution 5. Now open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Solution 6. If updating didn't help, go back to Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver and click Next. Once finished, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the app and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the update is complete, launch Highguard and check if the sound is working. After completing these steps, your sound should be working properly in Highguard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.